This next lot we're going to look at comes from the Nulake 4 book, so it's the Year 9 book, and it's the homework book, and we're looking at page 56, and it says sequence formula. And what we're going to be doing is having a look and seeing, are the formulas correct, or do we have to construct some formulas to describe a particular sequence? So here we've got a sequence, and it says we've got it says the number of matches used to construct the pattern below is predicted by one of the formula. Identify the correct formula and use it to predict the matches required for 20 squares. So, well, let's just ignore the formula we're given. They suggested, could it be that one or this one? So these are all multi-choice. So let's have a look. So this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. And for number 1, how many matches have we got? We've got 4 matches. For this one here, we've got 4 plus 1, 2, 3 more. So we've got an extra 4 plus 3 is 7. This one here, we've got 7, another 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, hang on. Yeah, another 7 plus 3 more is 10. So there it is. So each time we're going up in threes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the difference between these is 3. Now, in order to construct an equation, we're going to say the number of matches is equal to, and all we do here is we take the difference is 3, so it's going to be a 3 here. So straight away, this could be something like a 3 here, yeah? And then we ask the question, or 3, so we go 3 times n, or in this case 3 times, well, they're using s here. They're saying not n, but s. So this is 1 square, this is 2 squares, this is 3 squares. So here s is 2, this is the second square. Here s is going to be 3 squares. So we're going to go 3 times s. Now you can already see there's only one with 3 times s, but let's just do the last bit, which is to ask the last question. And the last question is to say, that difference there, we're looking at the first square. What have I got to do to that difference, that 3, to make it into a 4? Well, the answer is I add 3 plus 1 is 4. So I simply add 1 there, and there is my equation. Now let's have a look what we got. Okay, so it must be B. Well, B is the only one that says m is equal to 3s plus 1. There it is, and there is our answer. So it says we need to use it to calculate 20 squares. Okay, let's do 20 squares. Here we go. So we're going to keep the equation. There's not much room here, but I'm going to go m is equal to 3 times, not 1 or 2 or 3, but way along here. And it's going to be 20. 20. Here we go. 20. And I'm going to add that 1 to it. And 3 times 20 is 60, plus 1 is 61. And the answer is going to be 61. And you could write here squares, yes? I'm running out of room here, and I don't want to write across here because I'm going to go into the next question. But the answer would be m is equal to 61 squares. Sorry, what am I talking about? 61 matches. Yeah, in fact, I will write it in because otherwise I'm going to get it wrong. Matches. Okay, next one. It says from the formula listed, identify the one that correctly describes the pattern and use it to find the 20th term in the sequence. So here we've got the first term, or the first, what is it called? Yeah, these are called terms this time. These ones were called S for squares. This is 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares. These ones are called terms. I like terms, by the way. So the number of matches. Here's the first term, 1. Here's the second term. Here's the third term. How many matches in this? Well, there's 3 matches in this one. And then we're going to add on another 1, 2 matches. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5 matches. There's going to be 5 in this one here. What about this one here? Well, there's 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in this one here. So what are we adding on each time? Well, we've got 3. It looks like plus 2. So there's 2 difference there. 5 and something. Oh, it's 5 plus 2 is 7. So each time we're adding on 2. So we know that the number of matches will always be equal to the difference. Difference is 2, 2, 2. Yeah, so difference is 2 times the term. Okay, so I'll put a t. And then I'm going to multiply that, add something to that. So in this case, I'm going to add whatever I've got. There's 2 here. What do I have to do to the 2 to get a 3? well, I'm going to add 1. So the answer is going to be m is 2t plus 1. And it's going to be this one here. It's going to be C. All right, 20th term. All right, here we go. So its formula for 20th term is going to be, so m is equal to 2 times 20 plus 1, or 2 times 20 is 40 plus 1 is 41. And the answer will, of course, be matches. I'm going to go to the next bit. I don't want to do that. All right, hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to use a different video for some of these other ones, yeah?